In this video, friends, I will show you how to add extra baggage on Batik Air. So friends, all you have to do, go to Google and search for Batik Air manage booking, and then click the first result. As you can see here, friends, just wait to see this official Batik Air website. You see this page, guys. Just wait a few seconds, just wait here, go to this manage booking here option, go to this option. After that, click Batik Air. You write this one, guys, ID for example, right, just this one, and then just wait to loading this page. After that, guys, all you have to do, follow me on this guide, right here your booking reference. For your booking reference here, as I say, from here write your first name and last name and click continue, and then you can from here add your extra baggage without any problems. So guys, this is how you can do to add extra baggage. I hope this video helpful for you. See you on another video soon. Don't skip like and give like and share this video for more content.